getting to know the CapCut mobile interface and layout. If you're opening the app for the first time, this guide will help you get comfortable with where everything is. So let's jump right in. First, open the CapCut app on your phone. On the home screen, tap New Project. This is where all your video editing begins. You'll now see your phone's gallery. Just select any photo or video to get started. Once inside the editor, let's break down the screen. At the top, you'll see the preview window, where you can watch your video as you edit. This is where all your changes will play back in real time. Just below that is your timeline. This is where your clips sit. You can tap to select, drag to rearrange, and pinch to zoom in or out for finer control. At the very bottom is your toolbar, and this is where CapCut truly shines. Here's a quick overview of the main tools. Edit gives you options like split, speed, volume, crop, and more. Audio lets you add music, sound effects, or even voiceovers. Text is where you add titles, captions, or animated typography. Stickers lets you drop in fun elements like emojis or motion graphics. Overlay allows you to stack clips or images on top of your main video. Effects is where you find visual styles like glitch, blur, or cinematic looks. Filters give you quick color grading presets to change the mood of your video. And then there are tools for adjustment, background, canvas, format, and more. You can scroll left or right in the toolbar to reveal even more features. CapCut really packs in a lot of power for mobile editing. And if you ever feel lost, just tap on any clip in your timeline, and the toolbar will update with context-specific options for that element. That's it. Now you know how to navigate the CapCut mobile interface like a pro. In the next tutorials, we'll dive deeper into each feature and show you how to bring your videos to life, step by step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.